Hi vlog. Today we're going to the park and play with my friends. Did you hear that? We're going to the park. Mom, can we? Yep. We're going to the playground. Let's see if too much kids. Mom, hey, my vlog.
Walking. We're
Wait.
going to the playground.
My vlog. Okay. So here.
It's just near to our house.
Yeah, it's just near to our house. And our house is in the back. It's
Just
on,
need to walk
Mom,
5 minutes.
Mom, it's nice.
It's
So big. Mom, can you please give me? So
I
guys,
think this bonsai.
Huh?
This tree is bonsai.
bonsai.
Mhm.
Hey, give me. Give me.
But it's so big.
Red button. I'm like a bird now.
There's kids there.
Yeah, let's see. See, look. I saw my friends. Then we go and say hi to them, Mama.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best. So, guys, we already saw the park. See, there are lots of
It's
children there.
Al Orjo 1 Park. Al Orjo 1.
Yeah, let's say hi to my kids.
3 minutes walk lang. 2 minutes to 3 minutes walk.
Look, let's go there.
Tsaka may ihawan din sila. Oh. Barbecue. Pwede ka mag-barbecue. Tumakbo na. May masyadong mainit ngayon. Kaya nakapag-park kami.
I want to go and say hi to them here.
Or you can play alone also.
Also, I could play alone.
Yeah. Gusto talaga niya may kalaro.
Hey, kids, hi. Hi.
Go up na.
Second step.
Mm.
Well, let's go there. We're almost there.
Mm.
There. Wait. There. We're almost
Stand up.
there. Hey. It's so high in there.
Where are you going?
Slide. Let's see if we're gonna slide for a Yay. So much fun.
Nice.
It's so wiggly.
Go down. Cross the bridge.
Hey! Hey! Oh, hi. Hi. Can I play with you? Yeah.
Yeah, down.
Oh, hi. Hey, come. Let's go. Oh, thank you. So hi.
Careful. It's
Careful.
okay.
Be careful, my friend. I'm coming with you. Wait for me. Oh.
Faster, anak.
What is your name? My name's Gubbear. Oh, Gubbear. Come on. Okay. Oh no, I'm so scared to balance. Oh.
Cross here, oh.
Yeah. Hey.
It's okay.
Hey. Come here. What's it?
Mm. Slowly. Just hold here, ate, oh.
No,
Hold this
but-
one.
But there are no more other bars here.
Hold the other side.
I want to go slide. Yeah, because it's my favorite. It's jump.
Ang lit-lit. Ikaw takot ka. Stand up, ate. Stand.
Don't jump, please. I'm gonna be scared. Okay.
Takot.
Look like a forest lava.
It's not lava. You see?
Hey, come in! It's Mama coming! Hey! Come, Mama coming! Mama coming! Mama coming! Oh no, what should I do? I'm going to shopping. Like Fatima. Hey, wait, please!
Ang sila sa damuhan. Ang dami niya nakalaro. Humiga sa Humiga sa damuhan.
Come on, guys. Do you like to lie in the grass? Do you like to sit on the grass and lay down? Come on, let's lay down on the grass. Guys, come on, let's play hide and seek. Let's play. What is your pet? Where does it get? And you see, come on, let's get him.
Mabato.
What are you doing there? Come here! Let's get it! Let's leave him alone.
Ano dito? Bermuda. Bermuda grass. Ang sarap ng hangin. Kaka-relax. Yay!
I have a lucky day.
Laro niya parang si Atara kaliit.
You never scared me right now.
Happy? How you had fun? See your face, oh. Red. Let's go.
Mama, look. Fatima is so kind.
He's playing with you. Ihaw, ihaw. Oh. Very strong. Oh. Oh.
Where is... Yeah. Look. Go and see. It's not gonna be scary.
Tara na.
I'm gonna be so strong. I'm gonna exercise.
Oh.
Goodbye.
We're going home now.
Yeah, we're going-
done playing.
Yeah, bye-bye vlog.
See you next time.
See you next time, guys. Come here afternoon.
Afternoon.
No, can I walk here in the grass? Just kidding.
Uwi na kami.
No, Clara, come see me.
Tapos na maglaro ang bata.
No, you never see me again. Turn off, please. Guys, turn off the black subscribe. Yes.